If you want work-ready answers from ChatGPT, not vague ideas, I'll show you 5 advanced prompts you can copy-paste right now to save hours every week. Good prompting turns ChatGPT from a brainstorming toy into a reliable professional assistant. In this video, I'll show exact tested prompt patterns, plus concrete examples you can use in client work, product teams, marketing, and engineering. Each prompt follows the same structure: set a role, give context, specify the task, add constraints, and demand a precise output format. That structure is recommended in official guidance and recent professional guides. Prompt 1 turns the model into expert consultant and forces it to ask clarifying questions before giving solutions, which improves relevance and reduces hallucinations. This ask first method is a top performing pattern in recent field reports. Record the answers to those questions and paste them back. The result will be actionable and tailored. This prompt converts raw numbers into board-ready recommendations and concrete A/B test spec. Be specific about output format so you can paste it into a deck or a ticket. This pattern asks the model to evaluate, then produce an improved version. The rubric plus rewrite loop reduces back-and forth edits and speeds up QA. Ask for a minimal diff and tests. This prompt pattern is proven to produce concise, reviewable fixes and test coverage suggestions, used by engineers to speed code reviews. This prompt turns vague handovers into clear, testable operational steps. Always ask for measurable acceptance criteria. That's how teams avoid rework. When you record, show the prompt, then slowly paste the model's answer. Pause. Highlight the exact lines you'll copy into work tools. This makes the video useful and reproducible. Avoid vague requests like "help me improve this" without a rubric. Don't ask for multiple unrelated tasks in one prompt. Split them. And when outputs touch legal regulatory topics, mark them as for draft only and get a human review. If you want to read more, I use current best practice guides from OpenAI and professional prompt engineering articles to shape these patterns. These resources explain the structure I follow: role, context, task, constraints, and strict output format. Copy these 5 prompts and adapt the details to your product, data, or your code. They are designed to reduce iterations and produce work-ready outputs. If you found these 5 prompts useful, please hit like and subscribe. It helps me make more practical templates for professionals. Leave one comment: which prompt would you use first? Thanks for watching! I'll drop the exact prompts in the video description so you can copy-paste them. See you in the next video.